Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. My name is Jackson.
Hello, friends. I'm Lina. Nice to see you here.
This is an easy English channel. We speak slowly. We use easy words.
Yes, no pressure, no fear. You can relax.
Today's topic is talking about allergies.
Allergies, food allergies, dust allergies, medicine allergies.
This is real-life English. You can use it every day.
If you feel scared, it's okay. You are learning. You are doing great.
Please relax. Please listen. Please repeat with us.
Take a deep breath.
You can speak English. Don't worry.
Let's start.
Word 1. Allergy. Allergy.
An allergy means your body does not like something.
Example. I have an allergy.
Pause. Repeat after me. Allergy.
Word 2. Allergic.
Allergic means you have an allergy.
Example. I am allergic to peanuts.
Pause. Repeat slowly. Allergic.
Word 3. Food.
Food is what we eat.
Example. I like food.
Repeat. Food.
Word 4. Peanuts.
Peanuts are a kind of nut.
Example. I cannot eat peanuts.
Repeat. Peanuts.
Word 5. Milk.
Some people are allergic to milk.
Example. Milk makes me sick.
Repeat. Milk.
Word 6. Dust.
Dust is small dirt in the air.
Example. I am allergic to dust.
Repeat slowly. Dust.
Word 7. Medicine.
Medicine helps you feel better.
Example. This medicine helps me.
Repeat. Medicine.
Word 8. Sick.
Sick means not feeling well.
Example. I feel sick.
Repeat. Sick.
Word 9. Itchy.
Itchy means you want to scratch.
Example. My skin is itchy.
Repeat slowly. Itchy.
Word 10. Rash.
A rash is red skin.
Example. I have a rash.
Repeat. Rash.
Word 11. Sneezing.
Achoo. Sneezing is like this.
Example. I am sneezing.
Repeat. Sneezing.
Word 12. Breathing.
Breathing means air in, air out.
Example. I have trouble breathing.
Repeat slowly. Breathing.
Word 13. Problem.
A problem is something bad.
Example. I have a problem.
Repeat. Problem.
Word 14. Doctor.
A doctor helps sick people.
Example. I see a doctor.
Repeat. Doctor.
Word 15. Careful.
Careful means be safe.
Example. I am careful with food.
Repeat slowly. Careful.
I am allergic to.
Example. I am allergic to peanuts.
Repeat after me. I am allergic to peanuts. I cannot eat.
I cannot eat milk.
Repeat slowly. This makes me sick.
This makes me sick.
Repeat. I feel itchy.
I feel itchy.
Repeat slowly. I need medicine.
I need medicine.
Repeat.
Hi, Jackson.
Hi, Lina. How are you?
I'm okay, but I have a problem.
Oh, what's the problem?
I have an allergy.
An allergy?
Yes, I am allergic to peanuts.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, peanuts make me sick.
Do you feel itchy?
Yes, very itchy.
Do you need medicine?
Yes, I need medicine.
Repeat after us. I am allergic to peanuts. Lina, can you eat this cake?
No, I cannot eat it.
Why?
It has milk.
Oh, you are allergic to milk.
Yes, milk makes me sick.
I understand. Be careful.
Thank you.
Repeat. I cannot eat milk. Now your turn.
Your turn. Answer slowly. It's okay.
Are you allergic to food?
Yes or no?
Fill in the blank. I am allergic to. Say this sentence. I cannot eat it.
Role play. You say, I feel sick.
Let's review together.
Allergy, allergic, food, medicine.
Repeat with us. Both. I am allergic to peanuts. I cannot eat it. This makes me sick. I need medicine.
You did great.
Thank you for learning with us.
You are brave. You are learning English.
Practice every day. Small steps are okay.
Comment below. What are you allergic to?
Like the video. Subscribe to the channel.
See you next time. Bye-bye.